he got into his room, cabin room, closed the door, had his little backpack. He got his peanut butter. He got his crackers. He got like his bottles of water. It was like a 3-day cruise. It didn't cost that much. But he just said, as long as I could get on this boat, that was my dream. So he stayed in the room. You know, had a TV in the room, a nice bath, the tub and everything, shower. Looked out the window, you're like, oh man, it's beautiful out there. Oh, look at the water. The water flowing, the sunset, looking out the window. But he hearing people outside the door, and they laughing. He's like, oh yeah, they laughing. But as long as I got on this boat, I'm good. I got my crackers, I got my jelly, I got my water. He's looking at TV too, looking out the window, and people still laughing and enjoying themselves outside the door. Somebody knocking on the door and say, hey, can I get you anything? You need anything? Let me know. He said, nah, I'm good. He's saying to himself, I don't got no more money, but I'm gonna play it off. Can we make up your bed? No, don't make my bed up. In his mind, he think he got to pay for them to make up the bed. So the third day come, get ready to get off the boat. The man comes to the door, the shop steward or whatever they call him, and say, look, we know you was inside here all this time, and what happened? You don't feel good? You're sick? What's going on? He's like, nah, man, I enjoyed myself.